Staybridge Suites in Gainesville. I'll drop the address right here. Let's check it out. Breakfast is in progress in full swing. Let's check out the pantry. Some ice cream. Like pizzas you could warm up in the fridge in the microwave. Hot pockets. Hairspray. How much does all this cost? Okay, y'all, $566 a King Studio. Oh, look at this. Oh, this is nice. I'm not really set up to take advantage of all this. Got a microwave, got a fridge, got burners. Did it come with? Yeah, there we go. Nice big fridge. So do we get like Alio's dishes up here? Toaster? Oh, even a measuring cup? Are there pots? There are pots. Okay, that's pretty cool. Coffee maker. Oh, a little workstation over here. Let's get a better look at that from a distance. That's a regular little kitchen. Oh, dishwasher too. Here's your king. Nice seating area. That probably pulls out into a bed. TV. Let's check out the bathroom. Got some USB plugs. They do. See me? Regular toilet, 3 towels, nice big tub, and a shower. What's in the closet, y'all? What? Okay, what's up with that? The closet is locked. Oh, no it's not. Sorry, I'm an idiot. Extra bedding, running board, nice. Some on the other side also. Okay, let's get a look at that view. Oh, this is a pool view. Not really going to take much advantage of it, but pretty good view. It's a very nice room. Not a whole lot of activity at the pool this morning. I'll go down there and give you a closer look at that. The fitness center. Let's film it if there's nobody in it. There is. No, there's a few people in it. benches.
See the Alps and stuff.
What's over there? Oh, the entrance to the Holiday Inn.
That'd be sick. One of my friends with you, or two of my friends actually, they did like some vision work down there or something for their church.
Check out the pool. Beautiful areas for sitting and having breakfast. You got your breakfast out here. Look at that. That's very nice. Check out this pool area. Very cool. Oh, basketball court over there. Grills for your use. You could save a lot of money staying at this place with the oven and stuff in your room. Ooh, like a Blackstone or something. That was loud.
He just retired.
What do they got here for breakfast? Lots of fresh fruits. Oh, look at that. That's really nice. Guacamole. Cheeses. Breads, of course. What is over here? Biscuit. I think I saw sausage in here. Yeah. And eggs over here. Coke station. Oh, that's nice. Another look at fruits. Milks. A waffle station. Coffee, but they are out right now. They said they're brewing more. Cereal. Waffles. Guest laundry. A nice big guest laundry. Look at that. Wow. So they have a laundry basket in your room. This hotel is certainly designed for long stays. How much does it say? Oh no, no, stop. Stop. I don't know how to make it stop. They're free. But I don't know how to make it stop, y'all. Oh, here, I'll open it. There. But they're free. That's awesome. The business center. Nice. A couple of printers. A couple of computers. Something to see here in the area. Kennedy Space Center. That's 3 hours away, y'all. Gatorland also 2 hours away. I guess a lot of people are heading that direction though, huh? Silver Springs just south of here. Nice little extra seating area. GoPro might get weird in this light. We'll see. Okay, I would definitely recommend this hotel over the Holiday Inn just next door, as you had the kitchen in your room, you had grills out back, a nice big breakfast, a little nicer breakfast than the other one. You can look at my previous video on the one next door. We stayed there about a month ago. This is a great place to stay. If the price is comparable, I would choose this over the Holiday Inn. Thanks for watching.